Is Fidelity a broker? Fidelity is a prominent financial services company that functions as a brokerage firm, providing a wide range of investment products and services to individuals and institutions alike. As a broker, Fidelity offers brokerage accounts that allow clients to trade a variety of financial instruments, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, and options. Their platform is designed to cater to both novice investors and seasoned traders, offering tools and resources to help with investment decisions. Beyond its role as a broker, Fidelity is also well regarded for its retirement accounts, such as IRAs and 401k plans, making it a popular choice for those planning for their financial future. The company provides financial planning services that assist clients in achieving their long-term financial goals, whether they are saving for retirement, college, or other significant life events. Additionally, Fidelity offers wealth management solutions for those looking to have their portfolios managed by professionals. With a reputation for strong customer service, low-cost trading options, and a robust online platform, Fidelity stands out as a leading broker in the financial industry, catering to the diverse needs of its clients.